Hello, everybody. This is Mukul Pandey from English. As I always keep on encouraging you all to start working on your English and communication skills because this is an age of competition when we are living, when we are surviving with such a dense population. You've got to do something so that you can show your presence. If you will just keep on doing whatever everybody is doing, you will just become the part of the crowd. Good English and communication skills can mark you differently. And once you are marked differently, you will be able to register your strong presence in the people's mind easily. The people, those who are successful in the life, they have this type of skill set that they can project their image very strongly before anybody. They work a lot on the communication skills, on the public speaking skills. If you know something, but you're not able to share that information with the people around, it's useless. It's just useless. Can you expect a salesman is not able to speak something about the product? He got to speak something so that he can make the sales. In the same way, if you have talent, if you have skills, then you have to speak up when you face the interview so that you can crack your interview. In the same way, if you are going to attend any public function, any social gathering, it's very important that you need to project your value expression. When you have your value expression in English, people will start knowing who you are. You are known for your words and later for your appearance. Your every word, every single word counts a lot. So how you can take it so casually? So you need to work on your communication skills very well. And that will only happen when you start working in this direction. Do not think that I will make a mega change in my life. No. If you want to start a long journey, start with baby steps. Take few steps ahead so that you can reach to the destination of good English and communication skills. This is Mukul Pandey from I Am English. Catches you.